Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain which bar tape I prefer for my vintage build, whether it's rubber, dark cloth, or just this cloth style bar tape in general. So let's explain what I'm talking about here. So this past summer, I've been riding a lot this rally, and you see, I put a brand new bar tape just to refresh things every year, like I always do. But I have come to conclusion that this bar tape is not, or even this one, they're about the same, just different color. Is this cloth bar tape is not durable like my vintage bar tape that I have here on my vintage copy. I was testing quite a few of these rubber bar tapes, and they seem to hold up quite well. This one is just here, hasn't been used, but I used quite a few of them in the past, and I have come to conclusion that the bar tapes are gonna fall apart earlier than my other one, which is there. That's one of the reasons why I have put the new bar tape after riding this summer, why I have redone this one. So if I was you, if you want something for the looks, I would definitely go for the black cloth if it's not going to be written quite a bit. If it's going to be the road bike that you're going to rack up quite a few miles, I would go with this type of vintage style rubber bar tape. I hope you found this useful. I'm going to link this one and this one at description, down at description, so I get a tiny bit of commission if you end up buying these through my affiliate links. Hope you found this useful and hope you found this interesting. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.